Jay-Z and Harvey Weinstein were self-proclaimed friends, and we got the receipts. Oh, and to make it worse, they were homies and hanging out around the exact same time Harvey was arrested.
In your thoughts on Donald Trump and what it means for mass incarceration?
You know what? This is a labor of love for Jay, and as a result, he's my friend. We're here to talk about that and nothing else.
That video was taped in 2017. What year was Harvey Weinstein investigated? Harvey Weinstein began being formally investigated and charged in 2017 and 18 after major news, blah, 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 blah. Now I understand why there are alleged reports that Jay-Z has flown out of town. We will talk about this story and more today on the Trend Out Loud Show, link in bio. And do not forget to catch us live weekdays at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on YouTube, Twitch, or Kick.